In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript in Opera browser. JavaScript is essential for many websites to function properly, so having it enabled is crucial for a seamless browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Opera icon, which is usually located on your desktop or in your Applications folder. As the browser launches, you will see a clean interface with a speed dial and a sidebar. This is the starting point for all your web activities. Opening the browser is the first step toward customizing your experience and ensuring that you can access all the features of the websites you visit. Next, click the Opera logo in the top left corner of the screen. This logo represents the main menu for the browser. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears, showcasing various options you can choose from. This menu is your gateway to settings, tools, and features that enhance your browsing experience. Finding the menu is important because it's where you will navigate to change settings like JavaScript. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar menu. This section holds several important options that deal with your online safety and how your browser interacts with websites. Privacy and security settings are crucial for protecting your personal information online. By selecting this option, you are preparing to customize your browsing experience specifically regarding how content is handled by your browser. After that, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section on the right and click Site Settings. The Site Settings option is where you control how different websites behave in your browser. You will see a list of various content settings including cookies, location, and JavaScript. This step is important because it allows you to manage specific permissions for different sites, ensuring they function correctly while also keeping your privacy intact. Now find and click JavaScript under the Content submenu. This option specifically pertains to the JavaScript settings for websites you visit. Clicking on it will take you to the screen where you can enable or disable JavaScript globally. Understanding where to find JavaScript settings is crucial, as many websites rely on this programming language for interactive features. Next, select the radio button next to Sites Can Use JavaScript to turn it on globally. By doing this, you are allowing all websites to execute JavaScript code. This is important because many modern websites depend on JavaScript for their functionality, from animations to form submissions. Once you select this option, you will be able to browse the web without encountering issues related to disabled scripts. With that done, you have successfully enabled JavaScript in the Opera browser. You can now navigate back to your favorite websites and they should work as intended. Remember, having JavaScript enabled opens up a whole new level of interactivity and functionality on the web. You are now equipped to enjoy a richer online experience where dynamic content is just a click away. Thank you for following along. Enjoy your browsing with JavaScript enabled.